Static keyword. In Java, the static keyword is used to declare class-level variables and methods, which means they belong to the class itself rather than to any specific instance of the class. Here are the main implications and uses of the static keyword in Java. Let's understand about static variables. When a variable is declared as static, it is shared among all instances of the class. There is only one copy of the static variable, regardless of how many objects are created. Here's an example. In this example, the count variable is declared as static. It is shared among all instances of the myClass class. The value of count is incremented each time a new instance of myClass is created. Let's understand about static methods. When a method is declared as static, it can be invoked without creating an instance of the class. Static methods can access only other static members' variables or methods, and cannot access instance-specific members. Here's an example. In the above example, the add method is static. It can be invoked using the class name, like mathutils add3, 5, without creating an instance of the mathutils class. Static blocks are used to initialize the static variables of a class. They are executed only once when the class is loaded into memory, before any other code is executed. Here's an example. In the above example, the static block is used to initialize the x variable with the value 10, and this block will call before the main method. A static nested class is a class that is defined within another class and declared as static. In the above example, the nested class is a static nested class, and it can be instantiated without an instance of the outer class. In this example, we have an outer class with a static nested class. The nested class has a method display message that accesses the static variable outer message of the outer class and displays it. In the main method, we create an instance of the nested class and invoke the display message method. The output will be